Hey friends, GatorMom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today we're talking all about the Andar Brooklyn backpack versus the Addison. Hello, I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. I have two backpacks here that I am super excited to be sharing with you. One, I've actually done a full review and packing video on years ago, and that here is the Addison from the company Andar. These are full grain leather, super soft, super yummy material backpacks. You guys know I love the company Andar. I have wallets from them, the Denner wallet that is like a big favorite of mine, the Poppy wallet. My husband has a big duffel bag, which I should actually share with you guys. I'll add that on my list of content that I want to make because it's such a good one. I've had, like I said, wallets, sling bags, the Indy, the Stevie, the Quinn. I could go on and on about all of my favorites from Andar, but today I want to focus solely on these two backpacks. Now for starters, I'll kind of go through each one just briefly, and then I will put the camera down and show you what I have packed up in one of the bags, and then I will move all of the items into the other so that you can just kind of see them both packed up with the same things. Starting off here with the Addison bag. The Addison actually comes in two different sizes. So this is the regular standard size Addison, if you will, and then they also have a mini Addison, which I will put somewhere so you can see it up here in the cards of the description box. My review on the mini Addison, I've actually had that one as well as this one. My favorite has to be the full-size Addison. You guys know I kind of lean towards bigger bags anyways, and if I'm gonna carry something smaller, it's gonna be like a sling bag or something like that over a backpack. But if you like smaller backpacks, like kind of everyday carries, the mini Addison might be like the perfect size for you. But I like this regular size Addison. I've carried it a lot. This is in the color sand, I believe. I'm pretty sure it's the color. They release new colors in these all the time. So there's usually like a darker, a lighter leather. Black has to be kind of like one of their core leather colors. And then sometimes seasonally, they'll release like some really fun colors as well. But the Addison here has a nice sturdy grab handle at the top of the bag. You don't have any big pockets back here on the Addison, but you do have a hidden zipper pocket here. So it's nice to kind of slip your wallet in or your phone. The lining on them is super soft, so you don't have to worry about electronics or anything like that. The pocket goes all the way to here, like my finger is right here. So it's a really, really wide pocket on this bag. So you can fit a lot back here in the back. And then on the front of the backpack, the only pocket that you have is this big one kind of here in the front that opens up. And yes, I had to make sure, but there's no pockets or key leashes or anything like that in this front zipper either. Just kind of like one open pocket. On the top of the backpack here, you do have one zipper. You have a little bit of like a tail over here, which is nice because it makes the bag open up just a little bit bigger. And when you open it up, you have a big zipper pocket back there in the back. And then you also have two small pockets here in the front of the bag, which you'll be able to see better when I put the camera down. But they're great to put smaller items like your keys or your hand sanitizer or a pack of gum or something like that that you want to kind of grab for more easily. And then you have the big open like cavity of the bag. So that here is the Addison. Moving along here to the Brooklyn, and if I had to pick a favorite between the two of these, I'm not sure that I would be able to, but if I had to, if you guys were forcing me, I would probably pick the Brooklyn, and mainly because I love the design. I love the buckle here on the front of it. I cannot remember now for the life of me the color of this leather, and I'm not sure if they have it anymore, but just like the Addison, like I mentioned, they have new colors that come out kind of all the time and old ones that they restock and all of that, but this leather is a really, really pretty color. The size-wise, the Brooklyn I think is a smidge smaller than the Addison, but it's definitely larger than the mini Addison. So I feel like this one kind of toes the line like right in the middle of the two. It's not quite as wide as the Addison backpack, and it doesn't have any exterior zippers or pockets. There's nothing in the front here. There's nothing in the bag. You do have some really nice like detailing with the stitching and all of that. And then of course you have the buckle closure. It is a magnetic closure, so it's not like a true buckle. Easy to open and close. And then underneath the flap, you don't have a zipper like the Addison, but you do have this kind of open flap. So you have room down, oh, actually paper's down in mine from when I used it last, but you have this pocket all the way kind of down here, all the way to the bottom, and then you have your zipper pocket here at the top of the bag. The inside is designed pretty much the same there as the Addison as far as your zipper pocket and your two pockets, but it's a little bit smaller. So we're gonna go ahead and see how the same amount of items fit in each one of these backpacks so we can test kind of a true capacity test on what both of these will hold. Just like with all of my review and packing videos, I will have a link down below to my What's in My Bag blog post, and that will take you to all of the items that you see today. So if I'm sharing any wallets or pouches or just items in general in my bag and you're looking for any of them, the odds are they're going to be over there on that page. All right, I figured we would go ahead and start off here with the Brooklyn backpack because I think it is the smallest out of the two of these backpacks capacity-wise. So I assume that everything that fits inside this bag is going to fit inside that Addison backpack. So we'll go ahead and start just unpacking this backpack. There are no pockets or anything like that on the back side of this bag. And then when you open up the bag here, there is a magnetic closure and it opens all the way up. So you have no issues or anything like that of getting inside this backpack. This front pocket here is just a open flap. You have no magnetic closure or zipper pocket or anything like this. And the only thing I have tucked down in this front pocket is going to be my wallet. This is another Andar product. It is their Andar dinner wallet and I love it. I have way too many colors of this wallet to admit. But they release them seasonally. They always have new ones, fun, bright colors, and then they have really good like neutral ones. I have my keys attached to here. They all come with a wristlet and you can just kind of grab this and go. You have a spot here for cards. I actually have cash kind of tucked down in here, a spot here for cards. You also have an ID spot there, and then you can pull this little kind of tab up here and it releases a bunch of more cards here in the middle. So it's just a really nice, small, handy wallet. 9 times out of 10, you're gonna find me in this one. Now I could fit more in this front pocket for sure, but I was trying to kind of simplify what I have packed in here just so you can really see a true difference of what the two of these can hold. But this one, you probably could put more down in this front pocket. You have a nice zipper closure here at the top, no back pocket or anything here. It's just kind of stitched close. And you have a little bit of a tail over here, which is nice because it kind of helps opening that bag up nice and wide. You can definitely pack more in here than what I have. You could easily put a water bottle over here on the side. You could put probably an extra pouch. I should have actually packed my planner in here to show you, but I do believe it would fit in here no problem. I have a 7x9 size. I don't think 8.5 by 11 you're gonna get in here, but I do think you would get that in the Addison backpack. So just kind of pulling everything out in the center here to start. I have a book that I'm reading tucked down in there. I also just have a Erin Condren notebook. This is a regular, just lined self-bound notebook. I love these just to kind of carry around and have. I also have tucked down in here, kind of in this corner pocket, my hand cream. This is another one, that blood orange one you guys see all the time is a big favorite, but I also really like this milk and honey scent. So I have that in there. Then I also have, back here in this zipper pocket, I just have a couple of snacks. I have 2 Chomp like turkey sticks and 2 Kind bars, so I always have those with me. So the back zipper pocket's kind of like a really good spot for those. Then the only other thing I have inside this big kind of opening is a pouch, and you can hardly see it because it's such a good color match to this particular Brooklyn, which I want to say is the timber. I don't know if they have this particular leather anymore, but this is the Mina Bay Mia Pouch Trio. This is the medium. They come in a set of 3, so you have a small pouch, this medium one, and a larger one, and it also comes with a crossbody strap. So I love these, but this is their cocoa color, which is a really nice complement to this. It also looks really good with the sand and all of the other leather colors, but it's just super, super soft. But inside here, I have all of the small things that I don't want to get kind of locked inside my bag. You guys get the drill. It's like medicine, pens, hair ties, lip products, my cuticle cream, eye cream, anything you could think of, like small wipes and Band-Aids. It's going to be just like tucked down in this pouch so that I don't lose it inside the backpack. Then last but not least, I have tucked down in the 2 interior pockets inside this bag my Touchland hand sanitizer, and then I also have my SD card holder. I've been going back and forth between my office and home and recording and all that, and it's just really nice to just kind of keep this on me. It has spots for multiple cards, so it's been working out good for me, but I had that tucked in there because I needed it earlier. And then I just have a pack of gum. So it's great to have those little tiny pockets so that you can put the small stuff in there as well. So this is what the Brooklyn looks like, all unpacked and kind of open here. Really nice interior lining and some nice leather accents. Love this backpack. I'm gonna go ahead and put these same items into the Addison and then just show you what they look like inside. All right, so I went ahead and I put the same amount of items in this backpack, and there is a ton of room left over. This one you can for sure pack more in, but what I like about it is it holds a good amount, but it's not like a massive backpack. It's really comfortable to carry. I actually carried it this past weekend to Disney. My daughter and I went and just had like a girls' day, and we had this backpack with us, and it's all we had, and it really was perfect. We were able to have extra room for kind of souvenirs. We put our magic, like our Mickey ears inside here, and it was just, it really was perfect. But down here in this front zip pocket, the other one, as you remember, just had kind of that opening there. The only thing I have in here, again, is my wallet, and there's a ton of room in here, like a ton inside this front pocket, so you could definitely put more in there. Then on the back of this Addison that the Brooklyn didn't have is a back kind of hidden pocket, and this one goes all the way across the bag, so you could easily put your wallet back here, or your cell phone, or something that's against your body that you want just a little bit more secure. I don't have anything packed in here at the moment since I didn't have any in that Brooklyn backpack, but unzipping the main opening here of the bag, again, you have a little tail down here at the end, so it opens up nice and big. I also really like the grab handle. I used this a lot this past weekend, like getting it on and off rides and all of that. It was great. But looking down kind of inside here, as you can see, there's a lot of room. I have the same snacks back there, the same notebook and book. I also have the same leather pouch. My hand cream is down there, and it is a big tube of hand cream, and it gets lost in this backpack. So there's a lot of room. And then you have still your 2 pockets here for you to put small stuff that you need to kind of grab for quickly. So that is kind of what the Addison looks like all packed up. All right, I think that does it for today's video. I sure hope it was helpful for those of you that were interested in either the Brooklyn from Andar or the Addison from Andar. Both are really awesome backpack choices. If you have any questions, comments, or anything around these 2 bags or anything that I've shared, feel free to leave them down below in the comments. I am always happy to help. Until next time, I hope you have a great rest of your day.